So we're getting ready to change the battery on this key fob. First we're going to remove this ring right here. Once you do that, now look carefully for a gap on the side. You can see that gap right there. We're going to insert a flat screwdriver and twist it. Let's do that here. There's a flat screwdriver and then we'll just twist it. You can see the key fob separate right there. You can insert the screwdriver again and then remove the back cover. Okay, we'll put this to the side and we want to avoid touching the circuit board with our fingers. Right here we have the battery. You can see, pay attention to the positive sign of the battery. We pop that battery out. There's two batteries. There's the first one and there's the second battery. Okay. So we take the new batteries. Make sure the positive side of the battery is facing you. Just press it down there. You can see the positive facing you. And we take the next battery, positive side facing you. Press it down. You see it's locked all in all these three tabs. You do need to pay close attention that you don't bend this here, because if it's bent below the battery surface, it's not going to make contact over here. So once you do that, you can come back in here, take both of the sides of the key fob and line them up. Once you do that, we're going to just press it together. Make sure it's closed all around. That's it.